Welcome guys. Before we watch this video, I wanted to tell you about my Facebook group. Now, if you've been on Facebook and you more than likely have joined the group, it's just basically where people can discuss a lot of stuff. Now, this is kind of be like a forum, so if you have any questions, by all means ask the group, and people will answer very nicely and not give you a hard time for this, because I know there's a lot of groups out there that give people a hard time. So we won't have any of that. So it'll be the first link in the description. So if you want to click on that, it'll take you right there. And that is it. And you can also go to my website, mytruckingskills.com, for a little more structured view of my videos. Anyway, that being said, time for the video.
So I figured I'd show you some of the bad backs as well. This is not like a gag reel or anything. This is just me going into here and failing but recovering. So it's a simple. It's kind of like a 90 degree. I start turn. I'm way too close over here. I start to turn too early, and boom. You know, because I'm trying to not hit over here. So the closer you are here, the better. But sometimes it's too close, so you end up hitting it. All right, let's go back there for a second. So this is where I end up. This is where I would like to have been. So, anywho, okay. So let's go. So fixed it and see see the difference. This is where I started from here. This is my first start off point, and see how I'm like over like 6 more feet over. Yeah, it's roughly around that, and it works out a little better. Now I'm still a little bit close, but you'll see in the next part of the video how close I was, and see the distance over here. See, that's a nice. I'm a good few feet away from it, and so I still had to do a little bit of a pull forward, not as much as the pull forward on the initial one, but you know, that's what you got to do. Anywho, so let's go ahead and jump into that cab. Oh yeah, don't forget about the pull forward. Pull forward is very important. Alrighty then. So starting off from over here, I know we're going nice and slow. I could probably speed this part up. That's boring. But nah, sure. Let's rewind it. So see how I'm turning hard left here, even though I'm not even past this trailer, it's because of the distance. Like if I was pulling out of this space and if I started turning to the left pretty hard, well, I'd probably hit it. As you can see, if I was right here, you know what I'm saying? Okay. Because I know the arc, that my tandems are gonna go. All right. There we go. And now let's go ahead and look straight, or look in our mirrors over here to the left. Now, as you can see, I wanted to straighten up in the shortest distance. So as you can see, I turn hard right. So this is my terrible setup. Terrible, terrible, terrible setup. Now steers are pointing straight. Now I'm going to start jackknifing immediately, which I'm going to learn is a bit of a mistake. So I'm trying to do this whole balancing act here. So I'm still chasing it. Sorry, I'm still jackknifing it. And at this point, what are you going to do? You're going to get out and look. But as you can see, by the time this part got over here, I could realize that I'm actually going to fail and I'm going to hit this trailer. And so let's go ahead and pull forward. So I'm going to pull forward a lot more than where I initially started off, giving me a lot more room to maneuver because I ended up jackknifing way too early. So I'm just going to do a bit of a... Now, obviously we're not looking here. We're looking in the mirror. Now I'm going to probably stick my head out around now. All right, so here's the space in between these two here. Now, I did end up jackknifing. Why didn't I use all this area over here? Am I crazy? Probably. Whatever. I just didn't. That's my mistake. I did, though, like maybe 5 minutes prior on a different back. Or 5 minutes later. I can't remember when I did it. All right, so this is the point where you get out and look. Okay? Or even here. But still, this is the point where you get out and look. I ideally would have preferred to have my trailer in this position, but I didn't because I didn't do a very good job backing. I felt rushed. The battery was draining in my drone above, so I'm limited on my time. So as you can see, if I keep going, I'm gonna hit this trailer. Look at that, I'm only inches away. So let's go ahead and pull forward. Hard right. Okay. So now I think that'll do me. That'll get me past here, but now I'm gonna end up being closer to the trailer over here. So look at the shadow. Look at the distance between the shadow and this trailer. This tells me exactly how far away I am. Okay, so now that my axles are past, they're like yeah, you can see that they're past. I started chasing it. Let's rewind that for just a second. So this is the point where I started chasing it. All right, and now look at the distance. I'm still okay. Now it would be a good idea to get out and look here as well. And it would be a good idea to rewind this entire video and watch it all over again. So I am not 100% happy with it. I like to be 100% parallel. As you can see, I'm off. And so which way do I pull forward? Looking forward, looking this way now. Which way do I pull forward? It's easy looking at a drone. A lot of people get confused because I want the back of the trailer to go to the left. Okay, so I'm gonna pull forward and turn to the right. There we go. Hold on. There we go. Turn to the right. Yeah, see the rotation right there? There we go. And now we're just gonna do a simple straight back. Just a little maneuvering going on. Right now I'm only focusing on the front of the trailer. The back of the trailer is where it needs to be. The front of the trailer gets it is lining up, making sure it's parallel with the lines are the trailers. Anywho, that's that back. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe. Remember, not every back I do is perfect. Sometimes I like to show you guys some difficult backs where I end up not using the room that I had. Now I've seen many people back up where they all the room in the world and they end up doing a 90. It's just don't do that. Just do a straight back or do a 45. The 45 is always the go-to back. You should always go to, especially in truck stops, unless you can get a straight back. Obviously, straight back number one, then the 45, and the last worst case scenario, you use the 90 when you haven't got the room over here or something. Anyway, don't forget to go to my website, mytruckingskills.com, where you can see a lot more of my videos, some videos that I have not posted here, and I will be doing a lot more updating there. Right now it's free. Maybe in a few months I'll start charging, unless I'm already charging right now because this video is a few months old. Anywho, hope you have a good day and stay safe out there. Good luck, guys. Bye bye.